In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Canon MAXIFY MB2720 printer. I'll show you how to do a factory reset, but I'll also show you how to do a reset of the Wi-Fi or a reset of a specific function of this printer. So let's get started. First, make sure the printer is turned on and you're going to press once on the home button to see this screen. On this screen, you're going to swipe once, swipe another time until you see setup. Press on setup. Then go in device setting, perform various settings. It's the second option. Click on it. Go down this list. And the last option should be reset settings. Click on it. And now we have all the reset settings. And as I told you, there are many of them. If you want to do a factory reset, let's save some time and go down below and you're going to see reset all. Click on it and confirm by pressing the OK button. Everything will be deleted, so your internet connection, the fax settings if you're using it, and any other connection that you have previously done with the printer. It will be like brand new. As I told you, you can also simply reset, for example, the fax, simply reset the email address book, and other settings. Like if you want to reset the Wi-Fi, it's this one, LAN settings only. Click here and it will be disconnected for any networks that it was previously connected, and you can start fresh. So this is about it. It's not more complicated than this. The video was helpful. If so, please leave a like and comment down below. Check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you do so, you support my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.